guys, Joe here with Laser Touch LLC. Today we've got a few requests for different things. I have a co-worker of the wife that has two little girls that are like 11 and 8-ish. One's name's Paige and Piper. Paige is wanting something spider related in her bedroom, a little 2x2 sign. So I made her a little 2x2 design. The lines are a little bit thicker because we're going to throw some LEDs behind there for the little girl to choose whatever color she wants, light up her room nice and pretty. We were able to find the LEDs online that are 1/4 inch, so all these lines in here have to be 1/4 inch to be able to put them behind there. Let's see, we've got another design that is Piper's. I originally made one that looked like this, thinner lines, a lot more detail, drew it out, but the lines were too thin for putting LEDs behind there. So we ended up using a more generic version. Lost a lot of detail with thicker lines, but we will be able to throw the LEDs behind here for Paige and Piper to light up the rooms, have little remotes, change colors, pink, purple, blue, or red, white, and blue. That's what I would choose. So it's all going to be made out of super thin aluminum today. We're all cutting on a Hypertherm 45 amps. And we're not using fine cut or anything like that. We're just sticking with the regular 340-ish inches per minute. And I just wanted to show you guys these designs. We're going to be putting LEDs behind them. We're going to be showing you that process of adding LEDs, painting them, and lighting up the LEDs. So just bear with us. All right, so here we are using the handy dandy paint table that I use pretty much to paint just about anything. The little girl's wanting it to be a gray color, so I went with the Lunar Bear Paint, Lunar Surface Gloss, which is this gray, and she also wanted it with a little bit of sparkle, so I got the Metallic Titanium Gloss, which is actually just metallic colors. I already wiped it off with acetone and everything. It's a little windy out. I'm going to try to give it a couple coats of the light gray. All right, now I'm going to use the Metallic Titanium Gloss through Behr. Behr makes really good paint for this kind of application. Add a little bit of metallic flake to it. All right, we're back, and here's the other one that is going to be for Paige, the spider web. She just wants it a matte black. Again, using Behr paint, black matte. Alright guys, I got her all about glued up. I just want to share with you guys that I'm using the Gorilla Glue dual temp glue gun off Amazon. Actually, for like 20 bucks you can get like 75 of these little glue sticks with it. They hold really well. I haven't had any issues. I've hung these up like twice now just to get pictures and stuff for this video that I'm making for this project. And this thing works really well. Dual temp, little mini glue sticks. I just go through and I glue all the LEDs to the back. I can also, if you guys want to ask me what LEDs I use, I'll be more than willing to share that with you guys. But just want to share with you what I'm actually using and how I'm applying the lights to the back. Alright guys, now that we've got everything glued up using the Gorilla Glue brand hot glue gun, worked great. For like 75 of the little glue sticks and the glue gun, it was only like 15 bucks. You should really check it out. Worked really well, held really well. I'm getting ready to get them hung on the wall so you guys can see the end results.